sit on your couch hours on end watching Netflix, wishing that you had enough energy to get up and do something productive? So do I. Nah, I'm just playing. I don't. But we're going to talk about that topic together and we're going to help you fix it. So one of the things that we're going to do together is we're going to get a big whiteboard. If you can't get a whiteboard, then you can, if you have a chalkboard, if you have a piece of paper that you can tape up on the wall or on the fridge, something. But whiteboards, you can come by whiteboards at Goodwill, on OfferUp, on Craigslist. You can find whiteboards all over the place. And I mean, I got a pretty big whiteboard for $5 on OfferUp. They're always around. People are getting rid of them. You need to get you one. You need to get you a big old whiteboard, some Expo markers, and you need to make sections of the whiteboard for different parts of your life that you want to motivate yourself in and improve in. For my whiteboard, I have working out, schoolwork, making money, cleaning the house. I have things that I want to do on a regular basis. Every day I write down that it's a new day. I write down, Wednesday, and then I clear the check marks off beside the things that I want to do for the day every day. And with a clean slate, I will work out and then I'll check off workout. I'll do an assignment or two of schoolwork and I'll check off schoolwork. I'll clean, one of the rooms in my house and I'll check off clean. I'll make a video or two and I'll check off make money. These things are things that I want to do every day. And that's going to be a section of the whiteboard for you, as well as what I do. On a different section of the whiteboard is going to be used for things that don't have to happen every day, but need to happen soon. If you need to get your car fixed, if you need to go to the grocery store, if you need to do something, right? Something different. This is going to be where you put that. Eventually, you're going to have locations on your whiteboard for things that you know where they're for, you know what they look like, you know why they're there. And this whiteboard is going to be put up somewhere that you pass by every day, all day, right? As long as you're in your house, you're passing by this whiteboard. And it's real easy to see it and it reminds you. It's tactile, it's tangible. You get to see it, you get to check it off, you feel good whenever you do this, right? Pavlov's dog, you're training yourself, it feels good. You're checking that thing off, you're checking it off. You feel good, you get a reward, right? Just at the same way as if you were to find a new Netflix show or eat a piece of candy. Those things are giving you a reward, and they're playing in your reward center in your brain. So let's play on your reward center in your brain with a good, productive thing. Let's check mark one thing off, and it'll give you that reward in your brain. Get yourself a whiteboard, put it up, big old writing on it. You can start with one or two things if you want. Start slow. Don't freak yourself out or anything, but just so you can see it every day when you pass by. The second thing that I want to talk about in this video specifically is setting a reminder on your phone. This one might sound a little bit annoying to you. I get that, I do. My phone is always on do not disturb mode, so much so to where it actually tells other people if they text me that I'm on do not disturb mode. I get it. I understand if you don't like notifications, but this one is to better your life. It is to better motivate you and improve yourself. So this one is for you. It's a good thing. It's a positive thing. So if you make this an addition into your life, you will be happier and better off for it in the end. There are apps that are daily reminder apps and it'll be on repeat, and I would set it. I do set it, and I do have it set on my phone for 3 times a day. Whenever I know that I'm going to be awake, I set it for about 2 to 3 hours after I know that I'm going to be awake, the middle of my day, and up towards the end of my day, but not quite the end of my day. I have 3 set up to remind me, and the reminder says, I saw this in a podcast or I read this in a book. I can't remember where I got this, but my reminder says, Are you doing something productive, or are you just being a lazy So it's a kind of a kick in the pants for me, right? Whenever this reminder pops up randomly, it's random to me because I'm not looking forward to it happening. I'm doing my homework, or I might be messing around, just watching Netflix, or I might be talking to someone, or I might be eating, whatever I'm doing. This reminder pops up and it asks me, "Hey, are you really doing something worthwhile, or are you just being lazy?" And if I'm being lazy and I look at that reminder, I'm like, "Oh, you caught me, past me," right? So it's me keeping myself up to date with my own motivation and my own self improvement. And I like that. When I see it, I take it as a positive thing. I don't take it as a notification on my phone, that, oh, you got an email from spamzilla.com, X123 texted you, or whatever it might be. I don't like notifications. This is one of the only good notifications that I get on my phone. I get text messages from my family, from my girlfriend, and this notification, or I made money. Those are the 4 notifications that I like in life. So this is definitely one of them. I would say go get you one of these daily reminder apps, or just set a daily reminder on your phone so it can give you that little kick in the pants from yourself for you. It's from you for you. You're going to be your biggest friend in this journey. You're really going to be your only friend in this journey. Someone can help you and give you information, but you're the one that can do it. You're the only one that can do it for yourself. So please, for you to make yourself happier and the you that you want to see, set yourself a reminder for 1, 2, maybe 3 times a day to give a little kick in your own pants from yourself. Get yourself that whiteboard, set yourself that reminder on your phone, and be a better you that I know you want to be and that I know you will be. Remember, every day is a new chance to win. So win the day.